if you come into a situation where you have a chance to kind of show yourself as a confident individual, or and come across in a certain light that you want to be portrayed as, just go for it. And what's the worst that can happen if it goes wrong? You're not going to go up there. You're still going to be seen as this. She's tried. You can't. No one can say you didn't try. And I just feel like if you do that a couple of times, you're going to surprise yourself in terms of you can do it.
Yeah.
And I feel like that's what helped me is there's when I did get those fears during university, or my first kind of grad role where I had been faced with tasks that I hadn't done before, or I didn't like the sound of. I just kind of had to have a word with myself and be like, you know what, do it. If you don't like it, you don't like it, but you've done it, you've tried it. You have to try everything once.
Yeah.
And then after that, it's kind of, oh my God, like I did such a good job. My feedback was really good. I got some constructive criticism as well. And I feel like once you get into that pattern of accomplishing things that you might not have done if you hadn't been asked to, if that makes sense.
Yes.
You'll have that confidence to carry with you forward.
I can agree more with that. Like, actually just doing it and then realizing, like, okay, it's nowhere near as bad as I thought it would be in your head. Yeah. It just equips you with such great confidence and just sort of belief in yourself moving forward. So going to what you were mentioning with your graduate job, your first graduate job, could you tell could you tell the listeners about what that was and what your role was?
Okay, so I was really, really lucky to be able to secure a role at Simi London straight out of university.
So exciting.
So I was like a mad woman 2 months before graduation. I was calling, emailing, stalking. LinkedIn was like my little tool.
Yeah.
I was applying for jobs, finding the name of the person who posted the job, finding their email addresses, finding their phone numbers.
Wow.
I was ringing switchboards. I was a woman possessed because I just wanted to get my foot into industry ASAP.
Yeah.
So lucky for me, there was an a marketing internship going at Simi London, and I was lucky enough to secure it. It was such an amazing experience, that interview, because I went for the interview and my manager actually offered me the internship before I left. So It was incredible, and it was such a confidence boost as well. And again, that's a great example of how I didn't think maybe I'll get it, maybe I don't, I'm not ready, I haven't got the experience. And to be able to hear the words, you've really impressed me, your portfolio and the task that I've been assessed on is so impressive that I'd like to offer you the role. It's just an amazing thing to hear.
That's so sick.